So Michael Salgaller, I'm a recovering scientist. I started at NIH and then left to move across the country and joined a startup in the cancer space. We got two products in registration trials and somehow managed to IPO. And then I left and went into venture capital for a number of years, so helped other people start companies. I've headed a couple small startups and came back to NIH about 7.5 years ago. So the question I would have, we have a lot of companies on the call today that are seeking or submitting for SBIRs, which is genuinely a world-class program. The question I would ask is, what else are you seeking to do with NIH? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you should come talk to us. So anything that NIH directly funds, SBIRs, R01s, whatever, are part of the extramural or external program. Any of our major consortia studies, such as the All of Us or the Cancer Moonshot, is part of the external or extramural program. But then there's also the internal or intramural program, which is the world's largest biomedical research center in Bethesda, Maryland, and a couple other places. And what a lot of companies are unaware of is that every year we enter into hundreds of industry partnerships for technology development and commercialization. And what we provide is indirect or in-kind support. So it's not a competitive process. There's no application deadlines. And we work with companies purely based on whether the technology is relevant to and of interest to one of our scientists. And if it is, then what we bring to bear in this collaboration are resources. So we will spend money on your behalf. So this is not a grant, which is direct funding. This is indirect or in-kind support. So we'll spend money on your behalf. The other thing that we have, because I only have a moment or two on my soapbox, is that NIH has developed hundreds of research tools, animal models, cell lines, reagents, antibodies that companies can get through a non-exclusive license at our cost. So we don't make any money off of it. We just basically cover shipping. And you can use those research tools. Why spend months or years trying to develop your own animal model if we've already done so? So you can get this tool from us to test your drug, for example. And the great thing is, besides the cost and the availability, is if you discover some new intellectual property using a tool that you got from us, your company solely owns the rights to it. So there's lots of other things that companies are unaware of regarding the intramural opportunities, and would really appreciate speaking with people about, because we need innovative technologies to be brought to us. We actually have a preference for working with companies that are small or medium and come to us and are interested in working with us.